yeah, I realize the truth will always set us free, Mr. Chair. And
Kanina po may
Yun lang
sinasabi kayo na natatakot kayo sa buhay nyo at sa pamilya nyo. Saan po kayo natatakot?
of course po, it's normal, Mr. Chair, when you speak the truth, you cannot please everyone. And it's normal to anybody to have that mixed emotion. But still, it took me 1 week to make reflections. And I realized I need to do my part po.
Dahil po ba sa relasyon nyo sa nakaraang administrasyon kay former president? Kaya po ang damdamin nyo po ay mixed emotion?
Normal lang naman bilang tao po, Mr. Chair. Pero what prevailed after a week of reflection is I always say the truth will always set me free.
We are
I
held,
want a better place.